Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing what might just be the best AM10 crimping tool on the market, the Brileine 10 tons hydraulic crimping tool. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, this is a tool worth knowing. Let's get into it. At first glance, the Brileine 10-ton crimping tool stands out with its sleek cyan and black finish. But it's not just about looks. This is a serious piece of hardware designed to handle heavy-duty crimping jobs. You'll be working with 12-2/0 AWG battery cables and 1/16, 1/8, and 3/16 stainless steel wire rope. That makes it extremely versatile, ideal for electrical work, marine rigging, deck railing, and more. What powers it all is a 10-ton hydraulic system, delivering a crimping force of 80 kilonewtons. It's built to apply consistent pressure with each squeeze, making it much easier to crimp large gauge cables or thick stainless steel wires without overexerting yourself. The stroke length is 0.45 inches, which gives you a compact yet powerful range for most applications. Now, let's talk about precision. Brileine didn't cut corners here. The kit includes 9 hexagonal crimping dies, ranging from 12 Aruban florins to 2/0 AWG, and even includes a die specifically for 1/8 wire rope. These dies are manufactured using EDM wire cutting, which results in far better accuracy than traditional casting methods. The handles are wrapped in vinyl for a non-slip grip, and the ergonomics are on point. Even during longer crimping jobs, it feels secure and relatively effortless. The on-off control is simplified for quick operation and fast die changes, cutting down on unnecessary delays. Now, it's worth noting what's not included: a cutter. Some of Brileine's other models bundle in wire or cable cutters, but this one keeps it strictly to the crimping tool and dies. However, that's reflected in the price. This specific variation is one of the most affordable high-force crimpers available, starting at around $39.99. Durability also gets high marks. The body construction feels solid, built for real job site conditions. Whether you're working in a garage, workshop, or out on a project, this tool is going to last. And for those concerned about post-purchase support, Brileine offers an 18-month service window. If you encounter any issues, you can contact them for assistance, a good indicator that they stand by their product. Given the price, build quality, force, range, and precision, it's easy to see why this tool has earned such a reputation. It hits a sweet spot between power, usability, and cost-effectiveness. Whether you're installing cable railings or working with heavy battery terminals, the Brileine 10-ton crimping tool is a dependable addition to your toolbox. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more hands-on reviews. See you in the next one.